Profiles are an essential component of a document management system. Profile items are the building blocks of profiles. Let's take a look. Earlier, as I created 10 drawers for pretend clients using that CSV document, you saw how the information off that spreadsheet came in as profile information into eFile Cabinet, which is metadata, which is searchable. That's the great benefit of it. So for example, if I just did a simple search for drummer, okay, Peter Best comes up. Now, why? When I click on the drawer and look at the profile information, you'll see that the word drummer appears in the profile. So let me show you how to create profile items and profiles. Profile items are the building blocks of the profile. So I come up to the main menu, to the admin tab, to profiles, and you can see the two profiles I currently have, the client profile which I created and the drawer profile which came with eFile Cabinet. So all I'm going to do is simply go to create a profile, and I'll call this New York Life. Okay, and I'll come down here and save it. So you can see I have a New York Life profile, but no items in it yet. Okay, so how do I do that? There is one item I'd like to put in there that's already in the pool of items that exists here, and that is the full name. So all I have to do here is come up and look for full name. Simply click on it and save. And now when I come back to New York Life, I have that one item, as you can see. And I want to create two more items to put in here. So it'll be a simple profile. And so the items to create, or the way I create items is I come here, profile items. Okay, you can see all the ones that currently exist. So the first one I'm going to create is going to be called products. Okay, and now I'm going to choose item type. This will be, there's text, there's number, there's dates. You can search by date, currency, phone number, preset values, memos. I'm going to do preset values, and then I will start placing in there the different products of New York Life, Eagle. And then go down the list. And you can see there is my new profile item. So if I go to Manage Profiles, go down to New York Life, go down to Products, just click on it and save it. Now I've added that one item to the New York Life profile. So now I have two. So the third and last profile that I'm going to create has to do with the documents that are available for New York Life. So create the profile item. I'll call this document types. And then I'm going to do the same thing that I did before, preset value, and start placing the document types here. So to speed things up, I just added all 55 documents that are the same as in the predefined document names, documents that you would use as a New York Life agent. So I'm going to simply create the profile item. And I'll go back to Manage Profiles, go to New York Life, and then come down to Documents, Types, and save that. Okay, and then go back to New York Life, and everything's done, but I don't know if any of you caught this. I wanted full name there, not first name. So all I have to do is click on that. It takes it away that quickly. And I go down to full name and just bring that up here. And now I need to save it. And so now I have my New York Life profile with the three items that I would like in there. Full name, the list of products, and then all the document types. Okay, now that I have this new New York Life profile, let me show you how I'm going to use it. I'm going to click on the eFile Cabinet tab up here. It takes me back to my home page. I'm also going to bring in Sidekick. You're going to see Sidekick, same cabinets exists. Okay, so I'm going to do a search for Tom Adams, And the reason I'm going to do that, let me just show you. On my desktop, I have an application for Mainstay, pretend that is, for Tom Adams, and I also have one for Paula Taylor. So I have two documents there, and I want to bring them into eFile Cabinet. So I'm going to do a search for Tom Adams up here to find him really quick. This is a general search. Okay, there's Tom Adams' drawer, and I can just click on it and just open that up, and it'll take me right to the exact location in the tree view as to where I want to go. I want to go to the Mainstay folder. That's where I'm going to put this document. Let's also do a search inside Sidekick for Tom Adams. Okay, and there's Tom Adams' drawer, and there is the same folder. There's several ways to put documents in. One of the ways to do it is just simply come to this folder here, right click and upload. This allows me to look into the computer I'm sitting on, and there is Tom Adams' document. And so I'll simply come, let me move Sidekick here and then open it. And now you can see that document is up in the cloud that quickly, and you can see it there. And also let me do a refresh for Sidekick, and there it is in Sidekick. And I can also look at this document in that preview window that I showed you before that quickly. So there is the document. A copy of that document is up in the cloud, and I can see it in both Sidekick and also eFile Cabinet Online. Now let's just move this over and let's go to the profile information, put some profiling on this. So let's edit the profile, and I'm going to edit it. And now the new profile we have is New York Life. Okay, and so the full name is Tom Adams. All right, and the product we're looking at, here's the drop down that I created. All the products for New York Life is the Mainstay. Okay, and then the type of the document, here are all the documents. This is an application, so I will save it. All right, so that's Tom Adams inside the pretend clients drawer. Now I'm going to go up to New York Life. I'm going to close these pretend clients. I'm going to go up to the New York Life cabinet. Remember, I have Paula Taylor in here. Remember, everything I put in here can never be, can be deleted in 99 years. So I'm going to create another drawer from a template. I'm going to right click and apply a template, and I'm going to put the Mainstay in there. Okay, now that's going to be in there permanently. Once I put that in there, that's in there for good. So as you look at the retention, remember, it's in there for 99 years. Okay, this time I'm simply going to drag and drop this document into eFile Cabinet Online, and this will be in there also for 99 years. So it's going in there, boom, it is in there for 99 years. And so there is the application for Paula Taylor. And let's update her profile and do the same thing that we did for Tom Adams. And choose the New York Life profile, and this is Paula Taylor, and then the product, Mainstay, and then application, and save it. And now let's just totally go out and do a search. So instead of doing a simple search, now I'm going to do a search to find the exact application for Tom Adams. I just want to find Tom Adams' Mainstay application. And so the fastest way to do that is come over here and click on profile. You see these drop downs. This is an advanced search. So I'm going to search by profile. I'm going to search by the New York Life profile. And then the first thing I'm going to do is search full name, Tom Adams. Okay, and then I am going to open this up so you can see the rest of the functionality here. Click the add button. Second thing I'm going to do then is product. That is Mainstay. And I'll add that. And then the last piece of information I'll put in there is the document type, which is the application. Now if I had thousands and thousands of these kinds of application, this is how I can drill into the one I want, add it, and do a search. And there is, right there, Tom Adams' document that we were able to laser into, focus into, because of the advanced search and the profile information. And then if I want to go to the actual location, I click there, Takes me right to the exact location as to where that document is stored. Okay, now if I simply searched and do the same thing again and do a profile search and do the New York Life and do the, let's say, the product. Let's just search for the product, which is Mainstay, and then stop there and did a search. I'm going to get both of these documents because the search isn't narrowed. It will bring up everything that is Mainstay. So that is the power of profiling. Next, we'll discuss how we store documents.